Welcome, YouTube family. I'm Travis from Regenesis Permaculture, Costa Rica. I've been designing and managing tropical agroforestry systems for over 20 years, and only recently we've begun using this digital technology to create 3D designs. Um, this gives us lots of advantages. It allows us to communicate more clearly, to plan better, the amount of plants that can fit into a space, the amount of soil amendments and fertilizers that we'll use, and also the harvesting and the pruning management. So this is a small homestead design, and it'll also be an educational center we created with a family. Here we're looking at it from the east, and so we have some dwarf coconuts, dwarf pipas. And in the system, we've got a lot of grafted fruit trees, a lot of papaya, pineapple, dragon fruits, plenty of support species, bananas, plantains, yucca, a nice row of madero negro, a nitrogen-fixing support species, and in the back, a row of tall fruit trees, including durian, mangosteen, water apple, and with an understory of cacao. If you like this, I invite you to work with us, create a model not just in a two-dimensional computer, but in the real, on land, under the sun, with the water, the birds, the bees, to come and get the physical joy and activity of creating and interacting with a space like this.